Managing your assets in BrandBay is simple and flexible. To upload images, videos, and files, you can either click or drag multiple assets onto the Add Assets area. Or, to add individual assets, click the New button on the top left if you desire to add assets like colors, fonts, links, notes, snippets, and more. Furthermore, select what type of asset you would like to add and fill out the details for later reference in the platform. Add a title and also use a description and tags to make it easy for you to search for your asset later. Click Save and the asset will appear inside of the group. You can click and drag to reorder and restructure assets within your group. By clicking the collection settings icon via the Manage Groups menu, you can also reorder, rename, and delete your groups within a collection. Click the arrow in the Quick Access menu and select the desired action from the drop-down. Then you have the option to move, download, or delete an asset. To perform these actions on multiple assets, select the assets, then select the action you would like to perform from the Action panel to the right of the screen. To edit any asset, simply click on the upper asset thumbnail or preview area and the asset canvas will appear. Here you can update your assets information, copy the share link, download, or delete the asset. In the next video, we will go through how to add your team and clients to your brand.